Let the rain pound down around me. Let the teardrops fall in public, while the music's pounding in my headphones. Let the thunder caress my heart. Why did we ever part? Can I capture lightning in a bottle? Now it's too late to move on. My memories, they swarm, longing for the age of glory. But now it feels I've said too much. A body or a husk, containing all my inspiration. So please don't beg me to stay in your September rain, dancing in the streets like we're children again. So while I sing into the void, searching for the next chord, have I wasted all this time? I found a softness in your voice as the stars collide tonight. Gazing at the end of the world, and you, I took the world by storm. Now I've been reborn, catching fireflies under the moon. The fog drifted in by morn, hiding what's beyond. I don't think that I could give up now. So please don't beg